Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation, the weekend edition, because not everyone works Monday to Friday.
Welcome to the Learn, Develop, Live podcast with your 1 minute of motivation. My name is Chris Jaggs, and here is a quote for you for today. Enjoy every moment. So how are you doing today? Did you go out with dread, or did you bounce out of bed? It is Sunday after all. Look, life is incredibly short. 1 minute you're fighting the teenage emotions, then next you're expecting your second child in a house with a mortgage. Yes, life does flash by, with so many adventures and journeys along the way. So, just do your best to enjoy it. Enjoy every smile, laugh, and the time spent with the people that you love. We aren't all going to be here forever, so let's enjoy it while it lasts.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.